What is more essential to take along to school? Foundation or glue? Mascara or a marker? Eyeshadow or paint? Give up your hesitation. Watch our new video to learn how to transform your favorite makeup into school supplies. The blue-eyed girl announces a beauty parade. She has brought lip gloss, face powder, foundation, and makeup pencils into class today. Except that Miss Smith is on guard as usual. No makeup is allowed in class. I will have to use some tricks. I've put my EOS lip balm into a regular pencil sharpener. Take the middle detail with the lip balm out of an EOS container. Break the sharpener off an appropriate container. Hot glue the hole and attach the lip balm instead of the sharpener. I take the pencil sharpener out of my pencil case. My friend can moisturize her lips so that no one notices. When she closes the EOS balm with a cap, it looks like a regular sharpener again. Amazing disguise! The blue-eyed girl has her own stash. Her face powder is hidden under a pencil cup. Attach the lid of your compact powder to the bottom of a school supply cup. My friend moves the cup to the center of the desk. Why do we need 2 pencil cups on our desk? Because face powder is attached to one of them. The blue-eyed girl opens the lid and all the contents of the cup scatters over the desk. Miss Smith runs to us right away when she hears the noise. But there aren't any visible traces of makeup on our desk, only pencils and pens. I need a correction pen. My friend gives me her makeup bag instead of the pencil case. I take a correction pen out of it, but it doesn't work. What's wrong with it? Paint a mascara tube to be of the same color as a correction pen. Remove the tip of a used correction pen and hot glue it to the bottom of the mascara. Rip off the label and glue it to a makeup tube. I try to figure out how this correction pen works. Curly Sue offers a radical approach. She suggests taking the barrel apart. I twist the cap and take out a mascara wand. Now it's crystal clear why this correction pen doesn't correct my mistakes. On the other hand, it emphasizes my lashes nicely. I need to do it quickly so that Miss Smith doesn't get me busted. We will make her think that this is a regular correction pen. A broken nail? No problem. Let's file it with a binder clip. Take an abrasive layer off a nail file. Cut off a needed size and attach it to a binder clip. Miss Smith takes a binder clip out of her cup and sneakily files her nail. She doesn't need to waste time in a nail salon. The blue-eyed girl has come up with an amazing 2-in-1 product. A pencil outside and a bright lipstick inside. Cut off a tip of a Crayola pencil. Need some air-dry clay to put in the wax. Dampen your hands with water from time to time. Stick the wax tip into the clay and attach it to the cap of a lipstick. Shape it into the pencil tip. Take a piece of decorative tape and cut out half circles from one side so that it looks like a sharpened pencil, and attach it to the joining of the clay and the lipstick cap. Wrap the entire lipstick cap with tape. First of all, apply the lipstick and then hand it over to your friend. But Miss Smith doesn't mind doing her lip makeup too. She has already made duck lips waiting for the red lipstick. Our beauty product is confiscated, so we have to go back to our notes. We are doing paper crafts and suddenly find out what we've forgotten about the glue. Sharp-sighted, blue-eyed girl notices 2 glue sticks on Miss Smith's desk. We ask the teacher to lend us her glue. Miss Smith got deep into chatting with the PE teacher, so she gives us her glue sticks without looking at them. I give a liquid glue pen to my friend and I take a glue stick for myself. Something is wrong with this glue stick. Well, time flies and I still need to glue my paper craft. Cut off a beauty blender to be of the same size as a glue stick container. Make a hole for the stick on the bottom and hot glue the blender into the clean glue stick container. Miss Smith has some strange school supplies.